Hello, little friend. Today we are going to have so much bubbly fun.
In the morning, bright and new, little baby knows just what to do. Before the games, before the play, we wash our hands the happy way. Turn the tap, drip, drip, splash. Tiny hands go swish and dash. Water's cool and feels so sweet, tickling fingers, toes, and feet. Pump the soap, just one or two. Watch the magic bubbles grow for you. Round and round they spin and fly, shiny rainbows in the sky. Rub the palms and backs of hands, rub the thumbs just like we planned. Don't forget each little nail, suds are like a fairy tale. Rinse, rinse, watch them go, bubbles racing in a flow. Down the drain they slide away, off to have their bubbly day. Dry them gently, nice and neat, warm soft towel for clean dry feet and hands. Now they're ready, fresh and free, for hugs and games and bouncy glee. Little baby smile so wide, healthy, happy, full of pride. For every game, for every bite, clean hands make the world just right.
Hooray! Look at those clean, happy hands. See you next time. Goodbye.